Today we're going to be reading The Blue Train, published by Hinkler Books. Can you see the blue train going down the tracks? See two rabbits with the big smiles on their faces. Blue train is taking logs up the line. He pulls slowly out of the shed. Can you see him pulling slowly out of the shed? See the logs and the dog sitting on the logs. The logs are for a new bridge. Blue train says goodbye to the animals in the yard. See the animals in the yard. Blue train puffs up the steep hill. He lets off a big cloud of steam. See the big cloud of steam coming out of its spout. See the happy cows and the happy dog smiling. He can see lots of boats on the river. Blue train whistles with joy. Toot, toot. See the boats on the river and the birds flying in the sky. Blue train speeds out of the tunnel. He loves going as fast as he can. So fast out of the tunnel. Toot, toot. Look out. There are sheep on the track. Blue train makes them run in all directions. See the sheep running out in all directions. Blue train arrives at the site. He says hello to his friends by the river. See all his friends by the river waving hello back to Blue train. The bridge will soon be finished. See the unfinished bridge. Blue train is very pleased. The end. I hope you enjoyed The Blue Train.